Hello, I got my veneers from instasmile, the Snap On Veneers. This is really hard for me to do this because I'm very self-conscious about my mouth. So it's taken me a lot to make this video because there are so many negative and judgmental people out there. This is my teeth before. Now, I'm gonna put these in. They come in a cute little container and everything for you to hold them in. Let me just get this. I am pleased. They snap in. I just gotta get used to them because this is my first time wearing them today, and I'm hoping it brings my confidence back. I got the A1, I think classic white. I only wanted them the extra white just because I like that, but also because I quit smoking and I just think whiter teeth is prettier. But thank you, instasmile. I'm happy. I'm hoping to work on getting my bottom set because I think then I will be really pleased.